how to check the security software version fast and stay protected on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down to and click on about phone. After click on about phone, scroll down and click on software information. After click on software information, scroll down to and if you want to check security software version, so you will see security software version is here. If you want to check, so you will see MDF, BT, WLAN, VPN, ADP, Philips, and after watching, go back to home screen. So that's how you can check the security software version fast and stay protected on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.